All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive? Today, we're tackling something that might seem a little tricky at first, but trust me, it's easier than you think.
Oh, yeah, this is a good one. We get asked about this all the time.
Exactly. We're talking about how to transfer TRC20 USDT, that's Tether, on the Treon network, from your SafePal wallet to Binance.
Super useful stuff if you're into, using your crypto for actual purchases and moving things around.
Couldn't agree more. And a quick reminder before we jump in this deep dive is all about providing information and is absolutely not financial advice.
Right on. Always do your own research and all that jazz.
For sure. So let's say you've got some TRC20 USDT sitting pretty in your SafePal wallet and you want to get it over to Binance. What's the first step?
Well, first things first, you got to get into Binance.
Makes sense. So fire up the app or head over to their website and log into your account. Easy enough?
Yep, nothing too crazy yet.
All right, I'm logged in, ready to roll. What's next?
Okay, so now you need to find your TRC20 USDT deposit address on Binance.
Gotcha. Is that like my regular Binance deposit address?
It's similar, but it's specific to TRC20 USDT. Think of it this way. It's like each cryptocurrency has its own special address on Binance.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. And I'm guessing it's important to get the right one.
Oh, yeah, big time. If you accidentally send your TRC20 USDT to a different address, well, it's probably gone forever.
Yikes. No pressure then. All right, so how do I find this super specific TRC20 USDT deposit address?
Easy peasy, just navigate to your wallet on Binance, click on deposit, then search for USDT. Now here's the key part. Make sure you select the TRC20 network.
Okay, so out of all the options, I need to specifically click on TRC20. Got it.
Exactly. Don't worry, it'll be clearly labeled.
All right, I see it. Now I've got this long string of characters that's my TRC20 USDP deposit address.
You got it. Now, before you do anything else, copy that address very carefully. Like, seriously, double, triple check it.
Message received. I'm copying it as we speak. And you're right, it's a lot of characters. Easy to make a mistake.
It happens way more often than you'd think. And it's a mistake you don't want to make.
No kidding. So address, copied and verified. What do I do with it?
Time to switch gears. Open up your SafePal wallet app.
All right, SafePal app launched and ready for action.
Awesome. Now find your USDT wallet within SafePal. It should be easy to spot.
Yep, found it.
Perfect. Now you're going to hit send and paste that Binance TRC20 USDT deposit address, the one you copied so carefully, into the recipient field.
And yes, I will triple check it again.
Can't hurt. Safety first, right?
Absolutely.
Right.
Address pasted and confirmed. Anything else?
Almost there. Just enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer over to Binance.
Will do. Is there anything else I need to consider when entering the amount?
Ah, good point. Don't forget about those pesky transaction fees.
Oh, right, like a little toll you have to pay for using the network?
Exactly. Make sure you've got enough USDT in your wallet to cover both the amount you're sending and those fees. You don't want the transfer to fail because you're short a few cents.
True. Don't worry, I made sure to factor that in. All good on my end.
Excellent. So we've got the correct address, the right amount, and enough to cover those fees. Now for the moment of truth review, every single detail one last time.
Taking a deep breath. Okay. Address, amount, everything looks good.
Perfect. Now go ahead and hit that confirm button.
Here goes nothing. Clicked it.
And exhale. You might be asked for your SafePal wallet password or have to go through some other security step.
I did get a notification for two-factor authentication. Just approved it. Yeah. Phew. So now we wait.
Yep. Just a bit of patience while the blockchain does its thing. Your USDT is on its way.
Is there any way to track it? Like to see where it is in the process?
Absolutely. If you're curious, you can use a Tron Blockchain Explorer. Think of it like a tracking system for your crypto. You'll just need the transaction ID from SafePal, and the Explorer will show you every step of the way.
That's cool. I might have to check that out later. So while we're waiting, anything else I need to be aware of?
Just a friendly reminder about the importance of keeping your SafePal recovery phrase safe and sound.
Right, that set of words you get when you first set up your wallet.
Exactly. It's like the master key to your entire crypto kingdom, so guard it with your life.
Seriously, folks, write it down offline and store it somewhere super secure. Don't just leave it on your computer.
Couldn't say it better myself.
All right, I think that covers it for today's deep dive. We logged into Binance, found our TRC20 USDT deposit address, hopped over to SafePal, pasted the address, double and triple checked everything, sent the USDT, and now we're just waiting for it to arrive in our Binance account.
Nailed it. See, transferring TRC20 USDT isn't so scary after all.
And as we learned, Paying attention to those little details like selecting the right network and protecting that recovery phrase can make a huge difference.
Absolutely. It's all part of becoming a more confident and informed crypto user.
And the learning doesn't stop here. This was just a taste of the fascinating world of crypto.
There's so much more to explore out there. Different blockchains, security tips, the works.
If you're interested in diving deeper, a quick search online will lead you to tons of resources, websites, communities, all sorts of stuff.
Definitely. There's a whole world of crypto knowledge waiting for you.
Well, that about wraps it up for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Until next time.
Happy transferring.